Season 1, Episode 1.
I'm Cory Robin. Ride along with me and the Flying Cowboys as we take you flying into the backcountry where there's no runway required. I think today what would really help me is if we just went out to the airport, jumped in the airplane, and went flying.
All right, we are scooting along like a bunny rabbit across the Great Salt Lake in Utah. We are on our way over to that mountain over there to have some fun. Hope you're enjoying episode number 1. Oh my gosh, I don't know what the heck's going on. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Look at the sun hitting the water right there and the cloud cover. Just so beautiful right now. We're going fast in the Carbon Cub EX, baby.
Really what I want it to be about is going after what you want in life. You know what I mean? Experiencing things, the richness, the things that bring you true riches, the experiences and the people you meet and the relationships you have. Alright, we just went flying. That was great. There's nothing like a good flying adventure over the Great Salt Lake in Utah. Absolutely beautiful scenic views. Weather got a little iffy, so we cut it a little shorter than I'd like. We didn't get any external shots or anything like that. We also wanted to do a little bit more of an introduction that we didn't get to do. So that makes me still hungry for more. So here's what we're gonna do. I've been looking, and I was invited to go to this Arizona flying circus this weekend, February 8th through 11th, just south of the Phoenix area in a little area called Motown. Airport code is 5 Alpha Zulu 6. And so I'm going to head down there on Thursday, but before I go, I'm going to see if I can round up some of the other flying cowboys. Make sure you hit like and subscribe down below and leave some comments if there's anything you want to see us do. You can even feel free to ask me anything you'd like. So Mike, Mark, let's saddle up and head on down to Phoenix this weekend for a great time at the Arizona Flying Circus.